Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing where to look and why. Pick desktop, documents, or the drive that most likely holds the file. Once chosen, open File Explorer or Finder and click the search box, typing a fragment of the file name or an extension like PDF quickly narrows results. Make sure to set a date filter if you recall when it was created. This first step saves time and prevents scattered searching across the entire system, which often returns thousands of irrelevant items. Once results appear, refine them with filters to isolate the file. Apply file type, size limits, and modify date ranges. This removes noise and focuses on likely candidates. Use quotes for exact phrases, wildcards for partial matches, and Boolean words like and or to combine criteria. Preview panes or Quick Look let you confirm contents without opening heavy apps, saving time. If too many results remain, add a keyword from the document's text or reduce the date window to narrow to a manageable list. Open the best match and confirm it's the correct document, then note or copy the full path so you can return quickly. If you can't find it, check recent files, recycle bin, cloud backups, or version history. These often hold deleted or replaced copies. Once recovered, move the file into a clear folder structure or create a shortcut. This prevents repeated searches. If something goes wrong, restart the indexing service or rebuild the search index to restore accurate results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.